Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to make gravy using mushroom soup. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need 1 standard can of condensed cream of mushroom soup. Next, have about 1/4 cup of milk or broth ready. This will help thin the gravy. Finally, if you have any pan drippings from your roast or turkey, keep those handy for an extra layer of flavor. This simple method makes delicious gravy quickly. Now let's combine everything. Pour the condensed cream of mushroom soup into a medium saucepan. Gradually add your milk or broth, whisking continuously until the mixture is smooth and there are no lumps. If you're using meat drippings, now is the time to incorporate them. Stir them in thoroughly to ensure that rich flavor is evenly distributed throughout your gravy base. With your ingredients combined, it's time to cook. Place the saucepan over medium-low heat. It's crucial to stir constantly to prevent sticking and ensure even heating. You'll notice the gravy slowly begin to thicken as it warms. Continue cooking for about 5 to 7 minutes or until it reaches your desired consistency. Remember, it will thicken a bit more as it cools. Your easy mushroom soup gravy is now ready to enjoy. Serve it hot over mashed potatoes, roasted chicken, or any dish that needs a savory touch. Don't forget to taste and adjust the seasoning with a pinch of salt and pepper if needed. For more great cooking tips and to discover a book that can truly change how you think about money, check the description below for the link and other fantastic deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.